Your Bank of America credit card can be a points powerhouse if you know how to maximize its bonus categories. Let's break down the earning structure. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, choose the right card for your spending. The customized cash rewards card lets you pick a 3% cashback category, like online shopping, dining, or gas. The travel rewards card earns unlimited 1.5x points on all purchases. Then, use the card in its bonus categories. For the customized cash rewards card, you must actively select your 3% category each month. It doesn't change automatically. Do this in your online account or mobile app. My crucial pro tip: maximize the preferred rewards bonus. If you have a Bank of America checking account and maintain certain combined balances, $20,000, $50,000, $100,000 plus, you can qualify for preferred rewards. This boosts your credit card earnings by 25% to 75%. That 3% cashback category can become 5.25%. Strategically align your spending with your card strengths for maximum rewards. Which Bank of America card bonus category do you use the most? For more guides on maximizing rewards, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.